Welcome back to Design Guy. Want to make your Canva posters pop? I'll show you some easy design tricks. Click the Create button at the top, then type Poster in the search box to begin designing. Select the Landscape Poster option from the available templates to proceed with designing your project in landscape format. Search for a template in this section by exploring the available options. Select a template that matches your project needs to continue. To search for a topic, start by locating the search bar at the top of the page. Click inside the search bar, then type the keywords or subject you want to find. As you type, you'll see relevant suggestions begin to appear. Select the topic you're interested in from the list, or press Enter to view all search results. This helps you quickly find specific topics or articles related to your interests or questions. Locate this option in the menu. Click it to proceed to the next step. Make sure you select the correct item before moving forward with your workflow. Let's adjust this setting to make it less strict. This allows for more flexibility in your workflow. To center the image, select it, then click the alignment icon in the toolbar and choose the center option to apply the centering. Click the Edit button at the top of your screen to begin making changes. Next, locate and select the Magic Expand option in the toolbar. In the pop-up window, click the Expand button to automatically increase your content size. The tool will process your selection, extending your design area seamlessly. Once complete, review the expanded content before proceeding or making further edits. You have several options available. Simply select the option you want and place it in the area below. This allows you to arrange everything as needed and organize your workspace for easier access and management. Click and drag the elements upward to reposition them. Hold down the mouse button as you move them to the desired location. Release the mouse button to finalize their new placement in the layout or workspace. Select this option to proceed with the next setup step. Next, add a blur effect to your video by selecting the blur option in the editor. Click the Elements tab in the sidebar, select the blur option, and drag it onto your design area. To find graphic elements, open the Elements panel and use the search bar to type keywords related to the graphics you need for your project. To add this feature, start by selecting the patient example you want to view. Click on the patient's name in the list to open their detailed profile. Here you can review all relevant information for the selected patient, including medical history, treatment progress, and any recent updates. Next, look for the Examples tab at the top of the patient profile. Click on it to access specific examples related to this patient. Each example is listed with a brief description and date, making it easy to identify the one you want to examine. Click on an example to view its complete details. This will display all associated notes, images, and supporting documentation for thorough review. After reviewing the example, check for an action button. First, click on the Effects tab located in the top menu. Here, you'll see various options to enhance your project. To change the color, select the color picker or palette, then choose your preferred color from the available options, or input a custom color code. Next, update the font by clicking on the Font drop-down menu. Browse through the font list and select the style that best fits your design. These steps allow you to personalize the look and feel of your content easily and efficiently. Click the Share button to access the download options. Here, you can increase the resolution to improve image quality before saving your design. If you need the best results for printing, select the PDF print option, which preserves the highest possible quality. Follow these steps to ensure your project looks great whether you're printing or sharing digitally. Use the CMYK color mode when preparing your design for professional printing to ensure accurate color reproduction and print quality. You've just learned how to design a creative Canva poster. Like and subscribe for more design tips.